children, Namaste. Welcome back to the session. In the last session, you have learnt about importance of the food, the different types of the nutrients, importance of water, roughage and balanced diet. Let us start today's session. Topics to be discussed: cooking food, preserving food, methods for preserving food. Words to memorize. First one, preservation. 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 Refrigeration. 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 Drying. 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 Deep freezing. Deep. Deep. Freezing. Deep freezing. Deep. Deep. Freezing. Deep freezing. Germs. 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 Pickling. Pick. Ling. Pickling. Pick. Ling. Pickling. Canning. 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 Preservative. 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 Bottling. 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 Children, here you can see some fruits like papaya, mango, vegetables like carrot, beetroot, tomato and nuts. All these you can eat without cooking, right? Yes. So children, most of the fruits, some vegetables and nuts can be eaten without cooking. These are called raw foods. Children, we must wash raw fruits and vegetables before eating so that they are free from dirt and germs. Children, can you eat potatoes, rice, pulses without cooking them? No, not at all. It won't taste good and it will be very hard to chew, right? Yes. So, we cook cereals, pulses, meat, fish and most vegetables before eating them. We should cook food as it kills germs, makes food soft, tasty and easy to digest. We must wash vegetables and fruits before we chop them, as it avoids loss of nutrients. We should not cook food for too long, as it destroys the nutrients present in the food. Children, if your father brought 5 kgs of mangoes, can you eat all the 5 kgs of mangoes in one day? No, not at all. Then what you will do? You will preserve them in the refrigerator. Yes or no? Yes. Why should we keep in the refrigerator? What will happen if you keep outside? After a few days, they will get spoiled. Why they get spoiled? Due to germs. Children, germs are disease-causing microbes. They will spoil our food. Germs grow well in warm and moist places. Germs growth will decrease in cold places. So we need to preserve our food in cold place, or we need to remove moisture from the food to preserve it. Now, children, let us learn what is preservation. Preservation, the process of preserving food for a long time without getting spoiled, is called preservation. The process of preserving food for a long time without getting spoiled is called preservation. We use different methods for preserving our food, children. Those are refrigeration, deep freezing, drying, using preservatives, canning and bottling. Let us learn about this. Refrigeration. All you are having refrigerator in your house, children? Yes? How you feel when you open the door of the refrigerator? You will feel cool, right? So the temperature inside the refrigerator is cool. Storing food in refrigerator is called refrigeration. The temperature inside a refrigerator is very low. Because of it, growth in germs decrease and helps to keep food fresh for few days. Vegetables, fruits and cooked food can be stored in refrigerator. Deep freezing. All you know about deep freezer? You have seen in your house or you have seen in ice cream parlor. How it will be? It will be very cold. And water changes into ice in the deep freezer. A deep freezer is a very cold place. The water present in the food turns into ice and stop growth of germs in the food when we keep food in the deep freezer. We can keep meat, fish, carrots and peas fresh for several months in deep freezer. Whereas in the refrigerator, children, only for few days we can keep food fresh, but in deep freezer you can keep food fresh for several months. Drying. This is one of the oldest methods used to preserve food. By drying, the water content in the food is removed to preserve food for a long time. Children, already I explained we need to store our food in a cold place or we need to remove water from the food to preserve it. So here we are using the second process, that we are removing the water from the food. So we are drying. The dried food is sealed in packets to protect it from the moisture and air. Chilies, grapes and fish are some examples for drying. And here, children, you can see some images of dry chilies, dry grapes and dry fish. Using preservatives. In this method, preservatives are added to the food to preserve it. Salt, sugar, oil and turmeric are natural preservatives. We can preserve meat, many fruits and vegetables as pickles by adding salt and oil. We can preserve fruits and vegetables as jams by boiling them with sugar. Canning and bottling. In this process, the food is heated in a can or a bottle. The air is driven out of the container and it is sealed to protect from germs. By this method, food can be preserved safely for months. Fruits, vegetables, pickles and sweets are preserved by this method. Children, let us watch a video on today's topics.
Preservation of food.
Mom, why are you adding so much oil and salt to the mango pickle?
Dear, it is to preserve it from spoilage. This method is called pickling.
Is this the only way to preserve food?
No, dear. There are other methods also.
Can you tell me about them?
Sure. We dry the grapes by removing the water to get raisins. This is called as drying. We keep all the fresh fruits and vegetables and the cooked food in refrigerator. That is how we preserve food by refrigerating. Another method is by deep freezing. Usually, meat and fish are preserved by this method. Canning and bottling the food can also preserve it.
Like the jams and sauces?
Yes, dear.
Children, today you have learnt about cooking food, preservation, and the different methods for preserving food. Children, now read the lesson and do the given work. Thank you, children. Worksheet 3. Fill in the blanks. First one. Dash is the method used to preserve peas and meat for several months. Second one. Chilies and grapes are preserved by the method of dash. Third one. Sugar, salt and oil are used as dash. Next section, children. Identify the methods of preservation. Answer the following. First question. Why should we cook food? Second question. We must wash vegetables before we chop them. Why? Third question. What is preservation? Fourth question. Name the different methods used to preserve food with 2 examples. Fifth question. We should not cook food for too long. Why? Sixth question. Name some natural preservatives.